All right, so I've got some concentrations to plug into an ICE table. I want to make sure I have actual concentrations. I'm given moles and liters. Now this is just 1 liter, so it's not actually going to change much, but just remember that everything in an ICE table should be in molarity. So I want to take my moles and divide it by liters. So 2 moles divided by 1 liter will just give me 2 molar for each, but I just want to make sure I'm thinking about that step so that if it wasn't 1 liter, I wouldn't forget to do it. All right, so write my equation, ICE table, 2 for the H2 and the F2, and 0 for the HF. And then minus x plus 2x, and add them up for the equilibrium line. All right, so now I can plug this into my K, and my K would be HF squared on top. Oh, and my K was 100 from the problem. Okay, so it's 100, and then it would be HF on top squared, and then H2 times F2 on the bottom. And that'd be 2x, the whole quantity squared, 2 minus x, and 2 minus x multiplied by together. So I just want to rewrite that as a square, so 2 minus x on the bottom squared. And then I can see that hopefully that I can take the square root of the whole thing. Now that 2x on top should be in parentheses. There we go. So the square root of a square is just what's inside of it. So 2x on top, 2 minus x on the bottom, and the square root of 100 is 10. All right, so let me recopy that where I have some more space. And cross multiply. Distribute the 10. Add 10x to both sides to group the x's, and divide by 12 to get x by itself. If you need to slow down the video and work that algebra out on your own, make sure you get to the same place as me. Totally fine. But hopefully at the end you get x equals 1.67. So now I'm ready to go back to my ICE table and plug that in anywhere I saw x in the equilibrium line. So 2 minus 1.67, 2 minus 1.67, and 2 times 1.67. All right, so the H2 and the F2 would be 0.33. I'm running out of room here, but we'll squeeze it in, and then I'll write it neatly on the side in a second. And then 2 times 1.67. 3.34. All right, so my H2 concentration would be 0.33 molar. Make sure that once you're getting back to molarities, concentrations at the end, you should put a unit on it. My F2 would be the same at 0.33 molar. And my HF is 3.34 molar. And that's it. Those are my concentrations at equilibrium.